Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Hope Expanders. It is my privilege to introduce to you Dr. Francois Engelbrag, who is sold out and passionate about Hope Expanders. His heart is for the poor, for the lost, and apart from that, he's someone who whose heart is to just encourage and to uplift. So may you all be blessed as we tune in for this amazing presentation.
Thank you, Dr. Karin. I appreciate your kind words. Do you want to unlock your potential? Be even more successful in life? Do you want to earn an ongoing income? Then you're at the right place. Welcome to Hope Expanders. What can you get from this company? You receive the awesome Unlock Your Potential product. That is the first part. And we will show you exactly how to unlock your awesome potential. And you start earning an ongoing passive stream of income. All of this for only $10 plus $2 gas fee. You also become an ambassador of hope for those in need. So help us to help others in need. Our disclaimer: this presentation is intended for informational purposes only, does not constitute financial, legal, or professional advice. Participation is voluntary. Success and earnings are not guaranteed. By participating, members agree to indemnify and hold Hope Expanders, its officers, and its members harmless against any claims or disputes. So how does this program work? Well, you start out by buying the Silver Ambassador product starting from $10. Or you can buy into accelerator products which are more expensive, like the Sapphire or the Gold product. If you go for the more expensive products, this will fast track you quicker through the system. It just means that, say for instance, you buy the Sapphire for $100. Then you jump the queue, you in front of all the silver products already on the system, and you will start cycling first and earn first. The good news in this company, if this is not you, that you don't like selling and recruiting and spending more money, no selling, no recruiting, no spending more money out of your pocket. You're at the right place. You might ask, who is this Hope Expanders company? It's a legally registered company in South Africa. And like in any other business, we sell our products, you buy our products. When you've bought the product, we make profit. Like in any other company, the transaction is done. It's like walking into a hardware store, you buy a hammer. When you walk out and the hammer is good and working, you can't go back and say, I think I don't want this hammer anymore. Give me back my money. It doesn't work like that. If you bought a soft drink and you took the first sip, you can't return that. So this is a business selling products in a legal way. But, and this is the difference, we use some of our business profit to supply food for the poor and for hungry children. People, that is why we started this business. We really want to help the poor and the hungry children. And we give back commission to customers, empowering them for success, because our customers will help us achieve more and more income to help the poor. You also give a $10 subscription fee every month, but the good news is it's taken from your commissions. If you bought into this company once with a product, you are in it forever. So the next subscription fee is from your commissions. Our lovely CEO, Sean Kingery, and we've got a marketing department, and you're welcome to join, because those people are the people who are going to make the big bucks, the big bucks. We've got an accounting company, we've got a law firm backing us, and some of our products, the health products, people, this is out of this world. Our PowerFix, delicious meal replacement, very, very nutritional. Our brain enhancement, no more brain fog. Energy booster. If you're halfway through the day and you feel, where do I get my energy? Just take one of these. Stress release. Joint Ease Pro. So many other products that's already there, and a lot of products that's exciting that's on its way. And then we've got online products like our courses, Unlock Your Potential, Success Coaching, Alive in 55. We've got digital business cards that you heard about, accounting, project management. These are all things that you can buy online for your business or for yourself. A bookshop, anointing oils, and many, many more products already there, and a lot of them still coming. We also have Hope Meals to feed the hungry and the homeless people. This is an amazing product. White labeled for Hope Expanders. We've got 13 delicious flavors available. Some of them chicken biryani, mutton stew, chicken pasta, chakalaka, mac and cheese. Isn't that wonderful? You just add boiling water. So how does it work? The movement of products and positions. A $10 product is purchased plus a $2 administration fee, and you are placed in the silver phase. The system will automatically push through 5 phases and give you a new product for the next phase, plus cash incentive when you complete the phase. Everything is automated just for you. So, if we look at the following, our first accelerator is a silver for only $10. For that, you get Unlock Your Potential People. This is a $300 course. You also get the basic V card for the same price, and we'll tell you more about that later. And at the end of this phase, you put a $40 back into your pocket. How's that? You started with 10, you get 40 back. It's a $30 profit immediately. And we move you forward through the system to the Sapphire phase. It's a $100 phase. In that phase, you get success coaching training, energy booster, plus a wonderful health and wellness product. And at the end of that phase, $100 into your pocket. Then we move you to gold. That's a $300 phase. On this phase, you get digital currency training. You get the $100 Power Fix meal replacement. We also see to it that you get $100 for a new biz that we already have in store for you. And you sponsor 10 products for people that are placed by Hope Expanders. So you immediately become a Hope Ambassador. And at the end of this phase, you put $400 in your pocket, you are moved to the Diamond phase. Now it gets exciting. It's a $700 phase. Personal transformation training, a $100 brain enhancement product, and 50 products are placed by Hope Expanders from your profits. You help 50 people to get into the system, and you get $1,000 into your pocket. And just look at this. Now we move you forward to the next phase, the executive phase, very exciting phase, but we also move you back to Sapphire. You see, now you start earning the same amount of money again while you're still earning on this level. The executive phase is 2,500 phase. You get two very expensive courses, the cyber innovation course and the Internet of Things. We want you to be up to scratch with everything happening on the internet. It's so important for the day and the age we are living in. You also get a $100 immune booster, and 100 products are placed by HE for 100 people that you are helping to get an income into their life. And you get a whopping $4,000 into your pocket. And just look at this. And again, we put you back into Sapphire, but also into gold, also into diamond, and also back into executive. Now you are in a loop in all these phases. Can it get better? This is wonderful. So the total that you earn is $5,540 when you completed all these phases. It will take time because people must push you from the back. But the money for your next product and position is taken from your commission in the previous phase. It never cost you a dime. People, this is really a world first. This is really, really good business. So how do you join? You go to the www.hopeexpanders.com page. At the top on your right hand of the page, you click on register. You will see three options are open: the Hope Expanders, the Business Alliance, and the organizations. And you register as an individual at the Hope Expanders, the blue one. If you are into the Business Alliance, you use the green one. And if you are an organization that comes into this business, then you click on that. And it will cost you the same as an organization. The Business Alliance is a little bit more. Once your payment is done, a screen will pop up that will ask you for the product you bought, the transaction ID, the TX ID, and the amount. Please refer to the screen on your left-hand side. Once completed, click on Approve Registration, and your account will be active. Then just proceed to log in again on the homepage. And if you have difficulty to understand everything on the platform, it's very, very simple, very uncomplicated, but we will have training to help you in that. If that is not good enough news, just look at this. The moment you open up your back office, you log in, then you see VCard. Just click on the VCard. At the VCard section, complete your details. Now you will have a professional VCard, and that will put you in another class. And when you talk to somebody else and you want to give them your credentials, your VCard, you just take your phone, tap their phone, or they can scan the QR code, and everything will be on their phone. Isn't that wonderful? But people, this is just the basic card. There's also, when you tap on this card, there's also a place that you can enroll for an $8 per month VCard. Then you've got everything, all the bells and whistles, state of the art. And this can open a new stream of income for you. If you're in business, I would suggest consider the $8 a month one, because you will really be professional in who you are in business. Success will not come tomorrow unless you start today. So become a Hope Expander ambassador. Feel the powerful impact of our life-changing products. So many of us already experience that. Step into financial freedom. It's available. And restore hope to those in need. You can make the difference. Look out for our next training session. Everything will be explained in detail. Register immediately with your referral link.